if you were able to catch my live trading on Trade Locker this morning at the 9:30 a.m. EST open. This is the behind the scenes. And if you were not able to catch that video, I am going to leave it here on the end screen so that you guys can go and watch the live trade that I took. So guys, of course, it starts with your higher time frame analysis. You should be spending 1 to 2 hours on your higher time frame analysis. So this is what I have. I narrowed my analysis down to this 4-hour time frame, as you can see here. Here was a key level, which price used as demand, but also supply most recently. So let's extend that out. Here's that supply zone. And from there, I was able to determine my 4-hour time frame swing high and swing low. From there, what I wanted price to do, right, what I'm anticipating for price to do is to come into an area of discount. So this area is not in discount on the 4-hour time frame. It probably is on the 1-hour time frame. And this is why you have to stay true to your time frame of execution. What time frame are you going to be taking entries on? This is the time frame in which you need to be looking for your swing high and swing low. And that's where you need to be looking for your entries in the direction that price is showing you. US30 is showing that it is bearish, so we are going to take it down rather than up, guys. And there are some of my alarms going off. I do have some trades running still on my other accounts. So you're gonna probably hear my alarms going off. I do like to monitor how far I am in profit. And I do like to also monitor areas that could give me some type of retracement. I do not want to stick around for retracements. These are areas in which I take partials. So back to the video, guys. So here is my 4-hour swing high and swing low. I use the Fibonacci to determine my premium and discount area. The upper the upper area is premium, the lower area is discount. How did I get to the 1 minute time frame? Well, I'm all about challenging myself. And let's go back to where we were this morning at around 9:30, right before 9:30. I think I was looking at this area here at 9:30. And what I did was I had an OB right here. So 9:30 open, and sometimes we have to allow the market to move, right? Because the direction is bearish, guys, we are expecting to go lower. So maybe we're not going to respect some bullish order block. So in this case, guys, this area broke and it left behind this high. I'm going to just clear that out just to make the video make sense. It left behind this high. You guys know how I feel about highs that are left in the middle of nowhere. This high immediately became a target for me. So I began to target this high, right? And above that high was this OB here, right? So it's all about remembering the direction that you want to go lower in. Now, of course, guys, when you have like an OB, you want to leave a little bit of breathing room for your stop loss. Do not get so tight on your order block, because little tiny wick just like this one could take you out of that trade. So be mindful of leaving a little bit of breathing room for your stop loss. So we came down. This is around 9:29. Price started to move down. What are a lot of traders doing at this very moment, trying to seize that 9:30 a.m. opportunity? Well, this is the 9:30 candle. Everybody's going bearish, probably targeting this low. What price does is at 9:30, this is 9:31, 9:32, it does actually go for that low. Would I have taken this opportunity? Absolutely not, because I'm all about waiting for my opportunities to happen. Price shuffled around for the next 20 to 30 minutes, eventually going up into this OB. Stopping out all of the early sellers, right? These are the people who caught the 9:30 move and everyone in between. So for a while, if you were watching that video, it took like a long time to actually wait for price to come back up into this area. But eventually we got in this area, and this was where I took profit on that particular account right here. But we still, as you can see, my alarms are still going off. I still wanted to go lower, of course. So I am actually in this trade here because that was the objective. I'm following my higher time frame stuff, guys. So I'm using the 9:30 a.m. opportunity to hold longer term, if that makes any sense. So we came into this area. This is where I took profit on that particular account. Nice little setup. There was a pending here. On that account, I did not set a stop loss, which you should always set a stop loss, right? It's because I was watching the trade, sitting physically in front of the chart watching the trade. At times that I'm not, there's definitely always a stop loss, and I leave like a little breathing room. So price came down beneath this low here. And what it did is it went up and filled in the imbalance. And this was another entry for a sell. So if you missed that first entry there, this is another entry for a sell. And then it took you all the way down. And where am I looking to take this trade to? I'm targeting lows. As you can see, my trading view is going off. I am targeting lows. I am going to watch this area. From this area, we may get a little rejection back into filling an imbalance, but definitely a continuation down. What's most important, guys, is that we realize that we came and we took out the previous day's high, and I'm definitely targeting the previous day's low. This move is not going to happen all of the time, but it is definitely a good idea to mark your previous day's high and your previous day's low so that you understand what's happening. This is called a buy side, sell side sweep. So guys, thank you for watching and tune in for the very next video.